Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Adobe Firefly, Adobe's AI-powered image generator that's taking creativity to the next level. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or just love exploring AI tools, this tutorial will show you exactly how to use Firefly to create stunning visuals effortlessly. First up, text to image. You simply type a prompt like astronaut at a cafe on the moon, and Firefly instantly generates 4 variations. Want more options? Click generate similar, and you'll get additional results based on your favorite design. You can control styles too. Choose artistic modes like oil painting, photography, illustration, or even 3D. Plus, you can tweak colors, brightness and mood, vibrant, pastel, or black and white, and export directly or send your creation to Photoshop or Illustrator. Next is image to video. Take any generated image, click edit, generate video, and Firefly lets you create short video clips. Adjust the resolution, aspect ratio, optional camera motion, and add a descriptive prompt to animate your ideas in seconds. For designers, text to vector is a game changer. Type a prompt, and Firefly generates scalable vector art, from flat designs to detailed illustrations. Resize, recolor, or reshape without losing quality, perfect for logos, posters, or UI graphics. Finally, let's talk about generative fill. Select any area of an image, type a description like sandy tropical beach, and Firefly replaces backgrounds or adds elements instantly. Edge detection is precise, and multiple variations are created so you can pick the perfect one. And that's Adobe Firefly in action, powerful, intuitive, and commercially safe for all your creative projects. If you're serious about boosting your design workflow, this tool is a must try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch more AI tutorials like this one.